day, everyone. This is Jamil Rosas from BS Ed English. So today we will talk about pragmatics. So when we say pragmatics, it is a meaning in context. Sometimes we don't say exactly what we mean, and yet we still manage to understand each other. If you ask me, "Is it raining?" when I come out inside soaking wet and I say, "Great job, gang," you'll probably assume that I'm being sarcastic rather than giving you a compliment. Or if you ask me, "Can you close the window?" I'll probably interpret your question as polite request rather than a question about my physical ability. So the reason we can figure out what's going on is because we don't just look at words and sentences. We also look at context. So the area of linguistics that puts meaning into context is called pragmatics. We don't have 100% complete information about everything that's going on when we're talking to people, so we often need to make assumptions about the context in order to understand each other. There are four main assumptions that pragmaticists talk about when it comes to communication. First is quality, next is quantity, third one is relevance, and last is manner. So let's talk about quality. So let's start with "Great job, Sherlock." In some contexts, that could be a statement of admiration at your friend's deductive powers. But in other contexts, like if your friend has done something especially unwise, calling them Sherlock actually illustrates how much they're not like Sherlock Holmes. So that's because most of the time we assume that people are trying to communicate high quality information. So when we say quality, there's high quality information. We know that people can lie, but we usually assume that they're telling the truth. So when the context and the words clearly don't match, we can deduce a more subtle truth like sarcasm. The next assumption is quantity. So quantity is sufficient quantity of information. So like when I say, "Look at this notebook. There are at least 10 pages." So the statement is true. There are at least 10 pages because there are hundreds of pages in here. Then the tens in hundreds is 10. Like, so it the statement is true